beautiful Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new, and if you are new, don't forget to click that red subscribe button down below to become a part of the family. But today I am doing a period night routine. So I recently did my period morning routine, which I'll link down below and have a card somewhere up here, and you guys seem to love that, and so many of you guys asked for a night routine. Question of the day, comment down below where you were when you first got your period. I'm curious to know. I was luckily at home, so it went pretty smooth. You know, we're all girls here. I know no one wants that time of the month to come around, but these are just my little routine and little things I like to do to make it a little bit easier, so hopefully you guys find it useful. If you want more period videos, thumbs it up. I will link my other ones in the description box so you guys can always check those out as well. And you can follow me on my socials if you would like. I have Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and a Facebook page. But that being said, let's jump into it. Of course, my night routine begins by me coming home to whatever I was doing that day, and I just take off my jacket, my shoes, and everything off before I head to the kitchen and make some dinner, because at this time when I come home, I am hungry and ready to eat right away. I always get super hungry when it's near my period time and on my period. Eating is like my favorite thing near this time. One of my life hacks is really to plan my snacks and meals ahead of time during my period time especially. This is just really great and going to save you for those tempting cravings that you have near this time and making those bad decisions. So I always like to have a meal planned out, and I just warmed it up and I ate that. And I paired it with my water, because drinking water is extremely essential near this time. It's really important to drink water when you're on your period. I just really like to stick to drinking mostly water because it's just really great to stay hydrated, and it's also going to help with cramping. But one drink I do like to have near my period time is having a tea. So there's actually a couple teas I'll go back and forth on when I do have my period that's really great for that time of the month, and that is either peppermint tea or chamomile tea. In this case, I went with peppermint tea, which is great for easing bloating, helping with menstrual cramps, and also fatigue. But chamomile tea is also really great with menstrual cramps, and it has really great anti-inflammatory properties, and I just find it helps me go to sleep better. So going between these two teas are really great. I do really like to cut out my coffee because caffeine's actually not the greatest to have on your period and can lead to even worse cramping. Try and stay away from that and go for things that are decaf. Once I was done my dinner and I made my tea, I just brought it upstairs, and it's time to change to your menstrual tools. For the nighttime, I really like to wear nighttime pads, so pads that are more geared towards nighttime. You want it to be able to hold a little bit more, and I really like to go for pads with wings so it's more secure on the underwear and doesn't really move around. So make sure that you're looking for pads that are nighttime pads like the ones I'm showing you in this clip, and I really like to go for the long style as well and sleep with those. But something I like to do is I actually get my PJs and as well as my underwear with the pad on it ready, and right after when I'm done my dinner, I usually like to take a bath because I find it's just really relaxing, and it's good to take some time on your period to just relax and take a nice bath. I always like to use a Lush bath bomb. It just makes me feel so good. It makes your bathtub look like gold, and it's just so relaxing. They have so many different types of bath bombs, some that are really geared towards relaxation as well, which I definitely recommend. But of course, I just like to wash myself off near this time, and it's really important to keep up with your hygiene, especially near this time, and to make sure that you're all clean and good to go. This also really helps with my mood if I take time to just relax, because a lot of the times you can get moody a little bit around your period or feel extra stressed. Taking that time is really going to help you feel better and not be as moody as well. Once I was done my bath, that is when I put my PJs on, and by having your pad on your underwear when you're done your bath, it just gets rid of that annoying state, and it's just so much easier when you have your stuff all ready to go. But moving on, a little life hack I like to do is actually paint my nails red near this time. It can just kind of be a little warning sign to the people in your life that you have your period, so I always like to do that. But of course, once I was done that, it is time to take off your makeup if you have any on. So I just went in with my daily facial routine and I just removed my makeup with some makeup wipes and then cleansed my face with some face wash. And it's really important to make sure that you take off all the makeup and you clean your face very well, because I know for me, I break out a lot near my period and on my period. So it's really important to take extra care of your skin and never sleep with any makeup on. And once I was done taking all of my makeup off, I went in with my Tea Tree mask from the Body Shop. Tea Tree is super effective and great for improving acne, and I really like to use this, especially when I am on my period, because like I said, I break out a lot more, so this really helps with any pimples you have. It's really just going to help with the appearance of it overnight. Once I rinsed it off, it is time for bed, and a life hack I have for you is to go to bed 1 hour earlier, because it's been proven that it's normal for our sleep cycle to get a little messed up before and during our period, and our body is going through so much, so you want to make sure you're getting your rest on your period. And another life hack is to use an old towel if you're worried about any leaks during the night. This is really great to put it underneath you, so if you do leak, you don't leak on your sheets and you just leak on your old towels. But that is all for my night period routine. Let me know if you guys do any tips or tricks for your period routine. I'm curious to know. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thumbs it up if you liked it. It really helps me out. And also don't forget to click that red subscribe button to become a part of the YouTube family, because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And if you click the bell, you won't miss another upload like this. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye!